You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this Japanese word? This is the art of flower arrangement according to the Japanese tradition. The Japanese pronunciation first, Ikebana, Ikebana. So it's an Ikebana, Ikebana with no particular stress on any particular syllable. Now in English you have two different ways of pronouncing it. Ikebana, 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 or Ikebana. That's the two different ways it's usually pronounced in English. That's because in Japanese it's pronounced Ikebana. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. It'd be interesting to know and where you're from. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.